Hey, it's Jackie. It's a cooler August day here in Michigan, and once it just becomes an teensy bit cold here in Michigan, we suddenly go fall. And even though I'm totally a summer gal, I can't help but look forward to some of the fall things like cozy sweatshirts, sweatpants, and my personal favorite, apple cider. I am 100% an apple cider girl. You can forget the pumpkin spice. This is where it's at for me. So I'm going to share with you one of my absolute favorite apple cider recipes. So this apple cider recipe actually is something that I learned at my very first job. I worked at an apple orchard, probably why I love this so much. And it is something that it is a make as you go. You don't measure the ingredients. It's all by sight, but it's super easy and 100% delicious. So it's a dessert that I'm making for my kids tonight, and I know you will love it. It's an apple cider shake. Okay, so this is a 2-ingredient recipe. Again, it's super easy. I don't even know if you'd call it a recipe when there's 2 ingredients, but you need apple cider, not apple juice, and orange sherbet. It probably can be done with other sherbets. I've never tried because this one is so delicious. So what you do is you need an immersion blender. I will link below. I use the Cuisinart Smart Stick, and you need a cup that fits an immersion blender in it. So you don't actually measure the sherbet. You actually fill up your cup with sherbet, not quite to the top, and then you fill in the crevices with apple cider, and then you use the immersion blender. Once it's pretty blended, if it's too thick, you add some more apple cider. If it's what you like, you keep it. So that is how you make it. Calvin, come get your shake. So if you like that video, let me know in the comments if you're gonna give it a try. If you're new around here, thank you so much for watching this video. I share grocery hauls, weekly meal plans, what I eat on a weekly basis, all that kind of stuff. And what I share with you is basically family food related. Sometimes that is a dinner, and sometimes it is a yummy, sweet fall treat. So I'd love to have you stick around as a subscriber. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like apple cider, make sure you check out my other apple cider video. It's an instant pot hot spice cider. You can also make it on the stove, but I know you will love it if you love apple cider.